I know what I'm doing. No, I don't. Ah. Ow. Ugh. All right, today I'm gonna attempt to take a tire off of a bent and wrecked wheel using the Rabaconda. Never done this before, but we're gonna try it today. That's really nice. Okay, where do we start? This. And, yeah, like that. Yep, it's gonna go like that. Okay, loosen this up right here. That, you can adjust it. It's gonna flip back like that. And this piece, slot that in there for now. These go right there. And this one is gonna go somewhere in there. Tire. This one. Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah. That out. Okay, yeah, this needs to be moved down, let's see. I'm gonna rest that down here. There we go. Okay, you want it on the tire, but not on the rim, okay? So it's gonna go like that. Okay. Valve core remover. Shouldn't be any air in this thing. Nope, no air. Yeah, see, it came out. Valve core. Soapy water bead grease. Quick detailer. Bead grease. Do this to lubricate the tire. Okay. Oh my goodness. Broken, baby. So now, whoa. Flip this around. This thing's heavy, man. I need to lift more weights. Okay. I don't have to lubricate this, but you're just breaking the bead, but I'm practicing. When I get a real wheel on here that I don't want to scratch. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I think we're good here. So now here's where the fun part comes in. This little guy's called the duck head. See that? That's the duck's head right there. So now I'm gonna put this on here. Now typically you want to put the valve stem right there. You want to put the valve stem at 3 o'clock. So I can't put that at 3 o'clock because this is the bent part. So I'm going to put it at 6 o'clock. So we're going to loosen this up. That head's going to come up. And we need to get that duck head in that rim lip. Knock that back. There we go. See that? All right, now we got the duck head where we want it, okay? And lubricate the duck head. Flip it out like that. Okay. And we're gonna crank. Oh, I'm missing a step. Wait a minute, I'm missing a step. Wait a minute. That's where this comes in. We gotta prevent the rotation of the wheel, okay? All right, your boy only half know what he doing, so we want the duck head at 12 o'clock. The reason we want to strap this down because we don't want the wheel moving so we can get leverage. But if we had a regular wheel, we could just stick this straight through that little hole in there and it will hold it. But the reason we're not doing that with the spokes is because you can damage the spokes that way. Through like that. Okay. Not as much anyway. It's my first time doing this. And what this is gonna do, we gotta keep the tire and drop dead center and drop center, while at the same time, we gotta get the lip over. Come on. I forgot how hard these tires are. This tire is cold, is another factor. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to go back and get this lip. So I gotta better pry this. There we go. And that locks like that, okay? It's not fully locked in there, but now we should be able to crank this. Oh, what's going on here? What am I doing wrong? Okay, I'm not doing something right. I don't think I got the tire over the duck head. Pretty sure that's what's going on. Apply bead grease to the duck head tire. Use bead grease to mount this tire. Insert the tire between the tire and the foreknot portion of the duck head. Use the bead breaker to push down, sometimes lift the tire over the duck head. Yeah, Brandon did not do that. Okay, so I gotta do that again. Get back in that lip. Want you in that lip, my boy. Stay in that lip. Bro, this is hard. Even with a manual tire changer. Come on, little rider, give me some strength. Okay, I see what I need to do. I need to go more in right here. Got it. Woo! That locks behind there. All right, see, now that strap is keeping it from rotating. Just crank it. Duck head, all that. There we go. There we go. Boy, I need to go work out. It's just a cold tire too. There we go. Right, that's supposed to happen. Look at that. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so now that that's done, I gotta get the second bead off, right? I gotta take this, okay? I gotta go towards the other bead on the back. Duck head is the main thing that makes this thing easy. Oh, I see what's going on. I'm way too far in. I almost got it. It's not quite there. I'm gonna tear my tube. I don't know if I can get the tube out right now. Oh Lord, okay. Now we're messing stuff up. My duck head. Well, this has turned into a freaking nightmare. But we are learning together, right? There we go. Okay. Need to fix my duck head, which is not broken. The duck head is not required. It makes all of this easier. You have to know how to use this tool. That is the key. Why can't I screw this when it's not in? Ah, because I am cross-threading. Okay. All right, your boy's cross-threading. Did not damage the duck head. I'm going to look, see what I am doing wrong. Slide this back on. Get this back in position. There we go. It's all in technique, man. Now, side quest complete. I bet y'all missed that tube up. There we go. There we freaking go. There we freaking go, baby. Let's go. Let's freaking go. I know what I'm doing. No, I don't. Not at all. But this tire gonna come off. All right, we hit that spot on the wheel. Can we keep going? It's off the rim, but I still didn't fully do what I was supposed to. I'm not successful here, folks. Yeah, I think I broke this, guys. This tube, look at that. That's a piece of the tube. The tube's done. Yeah, see, I feel like it's grabbing against that tube. Boy, I done ripped. Yeah, I done tore this up, dude. So how am I gonna get this off? This has turned into a nightmare. Ah! You're not gonna worry about that. Because screw it. All right, that goes over the tire. Goes over the duck head. It's not actually coming over the rim as I'm ratcheting down. It's not fully over the duck head. That's the problem. I'm trying not to cut this thing out. Stuck. Oh. I'm an idiot. I am an idiot. I've never dealt with spoked wheels before. I am a freaking idiot, man. Oh, my power finally came back on. Power's been out all day. Eureka, I know what's wrong. On spoked wheels, there's a nut that holds the tube. I forgot it was more than just the valve stem. Oh, I'm such an idiot. I didn't know. Just to go to show you, all the wheels up there are cast aluminum, not spoked. That bike has spoked rims on it. I did not think about this. I'm so used to cast. There we go. There we go. Got it back on track. And what I'll do, now that I know what the heck I'm somewhat doing, I completely forgot to take this part of the tube off, which is why this ripped. This was not gonna be reused anyway. I talked about it, but I'm an idiot sandwich. I'll take that. Out of the way. Don't get me wrong, this is a pain in the butt as I learn this tool, but I guarantee you, this is a lot easier than trying to do this stuff with a bunch of spoons, as far as my back goes.
Hook the tire iron under the second bead. Lock it to the hook.
Okay, I'm getting this tire off. This is supposed to be. You gotta remember too, these tires are very freaking stiff. Ow. Ugh. Jammed the finger. If you thought this was crazy, just wait till I get a welding machine. I'm gonna kill myself. I just watched him do one thing that I wasn't doing. I'm gonna try it. Even though this is locked, I'm gonna hold this. That's the difference. That's the difference right there. I wasn't holding the iron. There we go. Oh my goodness. That's what it was. I needed to keep it in there. When they did it, it would just pop out because sport bike tires are a lot softer than these touring tires. They have such hard sidewalls. And every time I would try to get the second bead off, the tire iron would just pop off, which means that the sidewall would go back to where it wanted. But when I held it there and I was ratcheting, it was finally pulling it, not allowing the original portion to get back on the rim. And now it's off. My goodness. It's not the tool. That was actually fun though. This is a perfectly good tire. The bead, all of the bead on here looks fine. I'm gonna keep this tire, guys. Holy crap. I hope you got a good laugh because next time, I promise you, I'm gonna have this whole process down packed. Like I said, it is not the machine. It is me not knowing how to use the machine. But once I actually realized what I was doing wrong, like the tube inside, I didn't take the freaking tube off. I wasn't using the tire iron to peel it over the duck head as it's supposed to be. Once I did everything correctly, it did what it's supposed to do. So I'm glad I learned how to do this on a bent rim. So it wasn't the one I actually care about. But all those are up there, they're very similar to this, except they don't have tubes. But they do have those thicker sidewalls on touring tires, which really makes the process more challenging. But bead grease and the Rabaconda, I think I'll be good to go. But stay tuned for next time when I actually try to mount a tire. You can see my eyes have been sweating. I promise you, this is a lot easier, in my opinion, than doing this on the floor with a bunch of tire spoons. There's some people that say like, oh yeah, I can do it faster. You probably could, but try to do that 5 times back to back. I'm gonna go with the Rabaconda. So yeah, stay tuned for next time. And I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. You know the funny part about this, love that tie rack. I actually thought that I can reuse that. I was like, oh, it's only a slight bend. They can like get a machine and round it back out, dude. This thing, I can totally reuse that, right? It's only like 1 bend, 2 bend, 3 bend. It's only 3 bends. All the spokes are good, right? I can reuse it. Totally.